I wanted to take a minute to explain how to best extract out individual employee leads from prospective companies that you're targeting. So first step is importing a CSV. So once you have a CSV that has a list of company domains or company names, you can import it and make sure that it's correctly mapped. So you click import, and then you have a list of all of the domain URLs here. And then the next step after this is to say add enrichment, find people at company using the waterfall, targeting the people that you're trying to get in contact with. So let's say, for example, it's owner, vice president, director, and CXO suite. And then under company identifier current, map the company domain to the URL that you know. And then if you want to have 3 contacts or 5 contacts or top 10 CXO suite employees for each company, you can change this from 5 to 10. So for now, we'll do this. And then just click save. Then you can run it for all of the rows. Once you run it for all the rows, you will then be able to extract out individual line level employee data for each prospective company. So the next step after this, while this is running, just create a secondary table, rename the table to employees, click save, and then once it's finished running, which it should be done now, because it's very fast. So it's completely finished. So it's processed over 400 company employee level data. And you can see what it's been able to capture. So here on for 4ocean.com, it's identified 5 employees out of 12 that are worth potentially looking at. So all you do is you click the individual cell details pop up, then hover over profiles, click the drop down, and then click send each item to new row and other table. Then it's going to ask you what your destination is. You click surfing companies, you click the individual table itself that you just created, click employees, and then you can just auto run it and click save. And then it will be good to go. And then once it's done, it'll show up as individual rows in the employees tab. It shouldn't take long. So most of it's already done. And you can start seeing it in the employees tab. Then, once you have it here, so I would wait until this is completely done. And then once it's done, now it's finished, go to the employees tab, click the individual cell, and then add in the individual variables. So it'll go and automatically create separate columns. So click full name, LinkedIn URL, industry, job title role, job title subrole, director, company name, website, location, and then the website URL. So then now you have it in a perfect tabular structure that allows you to enrich it as you need to. So now all you need to do in the next step is click add enrichment, and then you can find their work emails, personal phone numbers using our own proprietary waterfall approach, or you can enrich the data socially. You can normalize and clean and harmonize the data. You can then, after enriching it, you can push it to Clay or scrape individual likes and dislike data from Sales Navigator or from LinkedIn. You can use the HTTP API, or you can push it. You can import more data via webhook, and then you can push it downstream to your ERP or CRM or HubSpot, etc. And that is it. So I hope that helps.